Hey, what's up guys? Marquez here, and today we're talking about one of the biggest shifts in the automotive world, electric vehicles, or EVs, which are making headlines everywhere. The auto industry is moving away from gas engines and embracing electric powertrains, and the results are truly game-changing for everyone. EVs are cleaner, cutting down on carbon emissions and air pollution, which is huge for the environment and our health. The driving experience is smoother, quieter, and more futuristic. Instant torque, one-pedal driving, and high-tech features everywhere you look. So, buckle up. Let's dive into how electric vehicles are changing the game for drivers and the world. Let's kick things off with the heart of every EV, the battery. This is where the real magic happens, powering everything from your morning commute to long road trips. The battery isn't just a component, it's the foundation of the electric vehicle revolution, and it's evolving at a rapid pace. Early EVs had real range anxiety, with drivers constantly checking their battery levels and planning routes around charging stations. But now, thanks to incredible advances in battery technology, we're seeing 400, 500, even 600 kilometers on a single charge. That's enough to drive from one city to another without worrying about running out of power. Modern batteries are smarter and safer than ever before. They're packed with advanced sensors and sophisticated cooling systems that constantly monitor and optimize energy use, keeping the battery at the perfect temperature for performance and longevity. This means more reliable power, longer battery life, and greater peace of mind for drivers. Adaptive software now learns your driving habits, adjusting energy output for maximum efficiency. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend road tripper, your EV tailors its performance to suit your unique style, squeezing out every last kilometer from each charge. Charging has also seen a revolution. Ultra-fast chargers can top you up to 80% in about 20 minutes, just enough time for a coffee break or a quick snack. Public charging networks are expanding rapidly, making it easier than ever to find a spot to plug in, whether you're in the city or on the open road. Home charging is smarter too, with higher wattage options and intelligent scheduling features that let you charge overnight when electricity rates are lowest. Some systems even integrate with solar panels, letting you power your car with clean, renewable energy right from your rooftop. Battery recycling and Second Life programs are growing fast, turning old EV batteries into valuable resources for home energy storage or backup power. This not only reduces waste, but also helps create a circular economy, making electric vehicles even more sustainable. All these innovations make EVs more practical and sustainable than ever before. Families can rely on them for daily errands, road trips, and everything in between, all while reducing their carbon footprint. The technology now supports real-world lifestyles, not just early adopters or tech enthusiasts. From busy parents to daily commuters, EVs are becoming the go-to choice for a wide range of drivers. With advanced batteries leading the way, making the switch to electric is no longer a leap of faith. It's a smart, forward-thinking decision for anyone looking to embrace the future of driving. Now, let's talk about how EVs are leading the way in autonomous driving. Today's EVs come loaded with sensors, cameras, and radar that handle everything from stop-and-go traffic to highway lane changes. Features like adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and self-parking are becoming standard. Advanced systems like Tesla's Autopilot and GM's Super Cruise can even change lanes and take exits for you. Over-the-air updates keep these systems improving, making driving safer and less stressful. Real-time data and AI help cars react to hazards faster than humans. Imagine letting your car handle the boring parts of your commute. Game changer. Autonomous tech is evolving fast, and EVs are at the forefront. Let's zoom out and explore how electric vehicles are being reimagined from the very beginning, with sustainability at the heart of every decision. The journey to a greener future starts long before an EV hits the road. It begins with the way these vehicles are designed, the materials chosen, and the processes used to bring them to life. Today's manufacturers are pushing boundaries by using recycled plastics for dashboards and trims, plant-based fabrics for seats, and even reclaimed wood for interior accents. These choices not only reduce waste but also lower the carbon footprint of each vehicle, making the inside of an EV as eco-friendly as its powertrain. The commitment to sustainability extends to the factories themselves. Many production facilities now run on renewable energy sources like solar and wind, dramatically cutting emissions. Water recycling systems and careful management of chemicals further minimize the environmental impact of manufacturing. Battery supply chains are also evolving. Companies are investing in ethical sourcing of raw materials, supporting responsible mining practices, and developing advanced recycling programs to recover valuable metals from used batteries, ensuring that the entire life cycle is considered. More brands are now designing vehicles with modular components, making it easier to disassemble and recycle parts at the end of a car's life. This approach helps keep valuable materials in use and reduces landfill waste. This circular approach, where materials are reused and products are designed for longevity, is becoming central to the automotive industry's vision for the future. It's a shift from a linear take, make, dispose model to a closed-loop system that benefits both people and the planet. When you drive an EV today, you're not just reducing tailpipe emissions, you're supporting a global ecosystem of green innovation, from renewable energy infrastructure to smart charging networks and sustainable supply chains. Every detail matters. Engineers are rethinking everything, from the electric motors to the smallest fasteners, choosing materials and designs that are better for the environment and easier to recycle. The future of cars is being built with nature in mind, ensuring that every step, from the ground up, is as green and sustainable as possible. If you've researched EVs, you've seen the Tesla Model Y. It's a benchmark for modern electric cars. The Model Y offers up to 525 kilometers of range and access to Tesla's supercharger network. Inside, you get a minimalist interior with a massive touchscreen and regular over-the-air updates. The driving experience is smooth and ultra-responsive, with instant torque and all-wheel drive. Tesla's autopilot is one of the most advanced semi-autonomous systems out there. Tons of storage, a roomy cabin, and a panoramic glass roof make it practical and stylish. Integration with your phone and smart home is seamless. The Model Y proves you don't have to sacrifice practicality or performance to go electric. Next up, we have the Audi e-tron GT, a pure electric sports sedan that redefines what it means to blend German luxury with cutting-edge EV technology. This car isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making every journey an experience. Whether you're cruising through city streets or winding along breathtaking mountain roads, the e-tron GT stands out with its sculpted lines, aggressive stance, and unmistakable Audi presence, turning heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the sleek bodywork, the e-tron GT offers up to 487 kilometers of range on a single charge, and when it comes to performance, this electric powerhouse rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just over 4 seconds, delivering instant torque and a surge of acceleration that's both thrilling and smooth. It's a true sports car, but with the silent, effortless power only an EV can provide. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's both high-tech and supremely comfortable. Audi has spared no expense, surrounding you with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and meticulous attention to detail. The digital cockpit puts all the information you need right at your fingertips, while customizable ambient lighting sets the perfect mood for every drive. Every element is designed to make you feel at home, whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing as a passenger. On the road, Audi nails the balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort. Thanks to adaptive air suspension and the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the e-tron GT hugs corners with confidence, yet glides over bumps with ease. Whether you're pushing it on a twisty back road or commuting through city traffic, the ride is always composed, refined, and engaging. The infotainment system is fast, intuitive, and packed with features to keep you connected and entertained. With seamless smartphone integration, voice controls, and a crisp, responsive touchscreen, everything you need is just a tap or a swipe away. It's technology that enhances your drive without ever getting in the way. Audi is also committed to sustainability. The e-tron GT is built in a state-of-the-art factory powered by renewable energy, and the interior features recycled materials that don't compromise on luxury or quality. It's a car that's as forward-thinking in its production as it is in its performance. This is proof that you can have it all, a high-performance luxury EV that's also eco-friendly. The e-tron GT shows that driving electric doesn't mean sacrificing excitement, comfort, or style. It's a bold statement for the future of driving. The Audi e-tron GT is a true head-turner, a blast to drive, and a shining example of how electric power can meet German luxury in spectacular fashion.